In the traditional recipe for tiramisu by Pharaoh Auguste Escoffieti, you don't need aliens to build it up. You simply need to be a little bit more skilled than the Americans. You will separate 3 eggs into a stand mixer. You will beat the white half of the sugar halfway through and add the remaining of the sugar at the end until you have nice peaks. Then add 3 yolks in the middle to make sure they don't go on the fucking side of the bowl. Mix it in 5 seconds. You will then sieve your flour into it and very delicately fold it in. Unlike crepe, you have to go slowly, so using brute force to destroy the lumps doesn't work. We need to keep as much air as possible here. Make sure you do it all the way through to not have lumps. Then line a baking tray with parchment paper. Spread your batter on this sheet and throw it into the oven until golden brown. Immediately put it outside to cool it down. You might then notice it is a little bit too thin. Then separate 6 eggs and put approximately 1 megaton of brown sugar, not white sugar that makes sugar, along with 1 egg white that will act as water to help dissolve the sugar, because an egg white is water and protein. Scrape the sides, then mix on high speed for 5 minutes until you have this sheet. You can then add your mascarpone and start mixing it in very slowly, and once it is mixed very homogeneously, you go on high speed for 10 minutes. Make sure to use very fat mascarpone. This one is 48% fat. The less fat it has, the more liquid your tiramisu cream will be. 48% is actually insane. You will then attempt to use a bowl to mix your white in the stand mixer and realize you have failed miserably. So you will whisk it by hand because you are not gay. This is the movement you have to do. Circles to create bubbles and then close them until you have some hard peaks. Please notice there was a little bit of yolk in my white. The Matrix chef say it's impossible to whisk it with egg yolk, but impossible is not in my lexicon. By the way, we're using the egg whites because we do not waste protein in this house. The Matrix chef use only the egg yolk. Then mix the whites in just enough to be very homogeneous and you will have something very thick. It looks a little bit grainy because of all the fat in the mascarpone. You can use around 38% fat. Then grab your pyramid, which was generously provided by Paderno Cookware. Put a condom in the pyramid and start filling it up at the absolute bottom. Go up until you have enough room to put your biscuit and cool down your coffee with ice because you definitely forgot to prepare it earlier. Then grab your freshly handmade savoyardi and dip them very quick to keep some texture and not have fucking puree. Align them very nicely. You should dip them 2 seconds max. That's what the world champion tiramisu said. Stack them up very nicely. Put another layer of cream and maybe another layer of cream onto your other layer of cream. In retrospect, I should have put 3 layers of biscuits. Then line them up properly again. You might need to break them up for the other side. This way you have a perfect fit. Press it down a little bit to make sure it fits into the pyramid. Throw it into the freezer for a couple hours. You will then be able to flip it around, pull it out and remove the condom. If it started freezing on the side, you should have a flat surface. But because my freezer is weak as fuck, it is not solid at all, so I will flatten it with some sheet. Here it is, your diabetes pyramid. You can then put some tiny condoms onto the biscuit to protect them before you add the cocoa powder. Once it is done very homogeneously, you can remove the condom. Here it is, your tiramisu. You can now present yourself as an inhuman creature. Divine Fortress was able to irrigate this pyramid in less than 1 afternoon. People will think you're an alien, but it was just breakfast. Listen to the sound it makes when I bite into it.
Mamma mia.